Today, we are going to make some grass. No, I'm not in Colorado, so it's not going to be that kind of grass. It's our techniques that are so simple and sensible, your mowers will practically build themselves.
Hello folks, it's Mad Dog Merv. Welcome to the Kid Hoarder Stash. Today, I have an alien over my shoulder and he's got me covered, as you can see, with his ray gun, so I gotta watch what I do. Hey, I've got a kit here that I've been excited about since I saw it at Nationals a year ago, and it's taken forever to get out. And then once it got out into distribution, my local hobby stores didn't get it. In fact, the one that I've got on pre-order from my one local hobby store, I still haven't heard about. So I went to another local hobby store, and they had it. And that is the Revell 71 Mustang through Boss 351. And this thing is amazing. We're going to get into it. I can't wait to get working on it. But let's take a look at what we've got in the box. Ah, that new kit smell. Okay, here on the side, you've got a little history on it. It looks like there's 129 pieces in this. It is molded in white. Got some color call-outs here. Some great shots of what it should look like when it's done here. And I am going to paint this one white. I had taken that old AMT MPC POS kit, and I had tried to replicate the car from a friend of mine in high school. It's just so bad. This kit is a breath of fresh air. So here is our clear parts. I'm not going to take them out, but the taillights in particular are well molded. And look at this, rear quarter windows. Yay! I always have to put those in because, I mean, come on guys. Whoever rolls down the rear quarter windows? Yeah, pretty much never. So they're always up, and the kits never have them. Well, this one has it. Yay! Gosh, it's good. It's such a breath of fresh air to see a car kit that's done right. Because I'm used to building aircraft, armor, you know, things like that, figures. And the quality of the kits are so much better. Just saying. But you get these new, too old kits, particularly from Revell, and the quality is just amazing. Oh, baby. I'm enjoying this for a minute. So there's the front end and the grill, and it looks beautiful. You've even got fasteners there in the front valance. Oh, look at that grill. Yeah, that's awesome. And check this out, an engine compartment. An actual engine compartment. Yay! Leaf springs look pretty good. Oh, yeah. Wow. These wheel backs, those look a little bit off. We've got hood hinges, which is good. Rear differential. Console. Your I can't remember what it is, but it's your brace under the hood. That looks correct for the 71. Very nice. Oh, we got two different fan shrouds. That's interesting. Steering column horns, front suspension, radiator, And here is the dashboard, and it looks good. Here's the rims. They look good. And now for the body. Ooh, headliner looks good on this. Details on the support look great. Body is crisp and clean and just beautiful. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. Let's see what we got in the way of tires. Just generic tires, but at least they're of a decent size, front and rear. So that's a keeper. Would like some bigger ones in the back, though, I'll be honest with you. We'll try and figure that out. Nice looking Hurst shifter. The front and rear bumper. Headlights. Looks like we got marker lights. Nice. Ooh, hood pins. Hood pins look really good. Very nice. Oh, well done. Gosh, it's such a breath of fresh air to have a car kit that's of the quality that it should be. It's a great job, Revell. Front spoiler, rear spoiler, mounts for the rear spoiler, taillight assembly, rear valence. Oh, wow. So the underside of the hood has some great detail on it, and the hood itself looks marvelous. And the engine, not sure what it's supposed to be. Looking at the carburetor. Carburetor kind of looks like a 4300 Ford or Autolite, which is fine. It should be a Cleveland in here, so that's what this looks like. Unless they're trying to replicate a Holly, but it doesn't look too much like a Holly. Power steering. Yeah, it all looks really good. Alternator looks good. It's not oversized. Very nice. Whew. Oh, wow. This interior looks great. Here's your sun visors, but the detail on the on the floor looks good. On the doors look good. And the pattern on the seat looks great. Wow. Oh, this is going to be a joy to build this one. Holy smokes. Let's look at these decals for a minute. Oh, wow. That's not good. So it's got, yeah, okay. So it's got silver and black stripes, which I'll use the black. Goodyear, or not Goodyear, Firestone white oval decals for the tires. Oh, yeah, those decals look really good. Boss 351 Mustang. Here's Ram Air decals. All sorts of other decals that are supposed to go like in the engine compartment. Here's the gauges. And the wood grain applique for the interior. Oof. Wow, great job, Revell. This is a kit I don't mind spending $30 on instead of those old POSs like the AMT, MPC mold of the 71, 72 Mustang. That should be $5 because that's all they're worth, but instead, no, you're paying $30 for those as well, and they suck. This thing's beautiful. Basic instructions on how to do things. So these definitely typical Revell Germany instructions. Here's your parts call outs. And then typical Revell of Germany over-engineered instructions. So they'll be fine. But lots of color call-outs, and here's where different decals go, and what I call a cluttered instruction page. But how to paint the seats, the pattern on the seats. I mean, here you're just barely putting the engine in, and you're on step 22. I think the instructions are a little over-engineered on this. It's my feeling. Exhaust, rear sway bar, rear diffie, exhaust, tires, rims, engine compartment details, which there's plenty of. Looks like we even have a solenoid in there. Yay, it's about time someone included one of those. Radiator, taillights, grill, and putting everything together. Huh. Interesting. Very interesting. Yep, getting it all together and getting your paint on. And your decals. Looks like this is going to build one incredible looking 351 Boss Mustang, or any other Mustang. Sorry. Okay, so I guess the Mach 1 has a honeycomb tail panel, which this does not have. But I need to do a little research on that. But anyway, decent rendition of a 351 Boss from 1971. Try and put all this back in here. That's a lot of plastic. That's a nice little kit. So, all right, folks. Well, hopefully this helps. If you're interested in buying one of these, check out the link. I'll try to put up a link where you can get one of these. And I got to get started on it. So we'll talk to you all soon. Thanks for joining us today.